Well, we had all of our potential customers here to understand, learn all about our automated ply placement technology. We wanted to show them the automated programming capability. We wanted to show them the mixed material capability of the system, and then, of course, show them a physical demo, show them the real system in action and all the benefits it could bring them.
I think all the demonstrations were very interesting, and knowing the different range of possibilities and technologies provided by Airborne, it's really interesting to know, what can be applied then to actual composite products.
The demonstrations of the production, I think that was the most interesting. But of course, meeting all these interesting people and look at this company was very interesting.
My favorite experience of today was to see your facility and to see how your robots is able to enhance speed and precision of cutting all the fiber elements for production.
It's very rare that customers actually get to see the products in action. We get to really show them off to our customers and partners, and also they get a chance to interrogate our engineers about how it all works and how it can benefit them.
I think the day was perfect. We had great organisation, we had a great group of people, mixed markets, aerospace, automotive, we had students, we had engineers, marine companies, so I think everybody really enjoyed it. Everyone had a great day, everything worked perfectly, so we're very happy.